Look at it.
Oh, it's running. We gotta get the top. We gotta get it to run on the top part before the bottom part.
Well, yeah, but this is not the. This is just an outline. We're not even really.
You wanna come up here?
Huh?
You wanna come up here?
Okay, but this water needs somewhere to go.
Okay. Well, here comes the fun bun.
I was gonna make it like a little mini berm, except for right here, so it might overflow here.
Okay.
But did you let it go?
Yep.
My hand is so muddy. Stop it. There you go. Is it going over yet?
Nope. But it will. Just gotta break that down a little bit.
I still want to go over there.
Champagne on the shovels.
Do you really want it to just go randomly into here? Like, we don't want to dig this up right now, right?
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's that?
It's all getting ready to go down the yard. It's doing it now. Because I stopped.
Oop. At this point, the levee has been breached. The water is now flowing out of its containment and down to the populace below.
Uh-oh. No! Oh, this is like backbreaking.